Hi guys, I'm Hitha.
Hi, my name is Darielis, and today we're going to be talking about our growth mindset workshop, where we talk about having a fixed mindset and a growth mindset and how to maintain a growth mindset.
So within this workshop, we talk about two different mindsets and we define them, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. A growth mindset consists of effort and knowing that the effort that you put will lead to the outcome that you desire. They embrace challenges, you are resilient, and you find inspiration in the successes of other people. We also learn about how we go from a growth zone or from a comfort zone into a growth zone. In this workshop, we also talk about how there are some discrepancies between the expectations that you set for yourself and external expectations. We also talk about how the cultural environment that you grow up in can influence the type of mindset that you have, and how the attitude that you have towards yourself and your world also influences the perspectives that you have towards the world and your experiences, and it also influences your reactions. We also talk about how you can control what we also talk about how you have things in your control and things that are out of your control and how to differentiate between the two.
An important part of having a growth mindset is setting up that plan. It's going to help you keep track of how you're progressing and how you keep growing. And it's going to help you from not getting too overwhelmed, because if you get too overwhelmed with your plans and future goals, you're going to want to end up giving up. And that's just going to bring you back instead of helping you grow. So, something you can do is make sure you create a schedule and set things out so that you know that you're going to have time to do them and it's realistic and you're not pushing yourself too hard to where you'll want to give up. You can create short and long-term goals. These are going to help you manage your progress and just going to keep you on track so that you don't end up getting off course and losing track of what you're trying to do. You can research things that are going to help you grow and get to your goals, whether that be going to school, getting internships, and just finding different opportunities that are going to help you stay in that growth mindset and stay with your plans so that you can keep growing.
Yes, another important thing you have to remember is going into a growth mindset and growing into it takes time and doesn't just happen overnight. So taking into account all the different things that you can do, like your attitude and making a growth mindset, can overall help you achieve that growth mindset. In our workshop, we also do a couple of fun activities. I hope you find our workshop helpful, and hopefully you can utilize all the tips that we give you in the future. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you.